Today we're testing out our new turbo-powered jet blower from Tough Cubic. It's small and portable, yet extremely powerful. You can use it to dust your area, clean your keyboard, or my favorite, help ignite and fuel your fire. And it comes shipped to your door, ready to blow your area too. Inside the box, you have your user manual, a USB-C charging cable, an airflow nozzle, and then your mini jet turbine. There's a power button on the bottom. You can hold it down to power it on, and then click the button to cycle through 4 different speeds, and on the top speed, it's quite powerful. So I attached the airflow nozzle and used it to clean out my keyboard. Then I used it to dust my area and clean my parts from shipping material. It worked really well, but I wanted to test it with fire. So I collected a bunch of boxes and lit the corner. After it started to catch, I used the jet fan to blow and spread the fire. And let me tell you, it caught up quick. On the highest setting, I had to back away so I wouldn't get burnt. The fire was blazing in no time, all thanks to this jet fan. Later, I went camping. Then I used the jet fan to inflate my camping pad. I was able to relax in a comfy area and used it to get my campfire going, and then keep my campfire going all throughout the night. It was so helpful, and I can't get over how strong this is. Its fan is really powerful. It really feels like a portable jet turbine. I feel like if I got a few of these, I could use them to help move me on a skateboard. It has a long-lasting 1100 mAh rechargeable battery. It can last 10 to 15 minutes on top speed, and up to 3 hours on the lowest speed. I've been loving this new portable jet fan. It's so powerful, I've been finding myself using it quite a bit. But my favorite feature is how portable it is. You can easily fit it in your bag, or even your pocket, until you need it. So if you're looking for an impressive and powerful little fan, this jet fan from Tough Cubic might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go start another fire. See ya.